Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building a repeatable hook. Aim for the first 1-3 seconds to arrest attention. Record one strong opening, then film the value section next. Deliver a single idea per 15:30s clip. Once done, make sure framing is vertical 9/16 and audio is clean. Viewers drop fast when sound or lighting fails. Film at least 3 takes, tight, medium, wide. This gives you editing choices and thumbnail-ready frames. Next, you focus on delivery and tight editing to boost watch time. Cut to a new shot every 1.5-3 seconds. Shorter clips maintain momentum. Add readable captions and 1 or 2 bold overlays to reinforce your message. This helps in muted viewing. Then, pick audio. Trending sounds amplify reach, but original audio builds account identity. Once edited, review retention points and remove anything that causes a mid-roll drop. Make subtle color and volume, tweaks to smooth flow. Finally, you publish strategically and iterate fast. Use a short, direct caption as a secondary hook, then add 2-3 targeted hashtags. Avoid stuffing. Post the same asset at 3 different times over 1 week and compare 24-48-hour retention metrics to find your sweet spot. If views are low, troubleshoot quickly. Swap the audio, cut the intro to under 1.5 seconds, or upload a tighter edit within 48 hours. Consistent testing beats guessing. Keep a simple results log.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.